If you want to kickstart your career, try the Power BI course from GSS Tech. Power BI is a business analytics tool by Microsoft that helps you turn data into interactive reports and dashboards. It connects to various data sources, provides real-time insights, and creates interactive visualizations that help businesses make data-driven decisions. What's all the buzz about Power BI? Power BI makes decision making simple with real time insights. Analyze data through clear visual reports. And with demand growing across industries, now's the time to boost your skills. Get real world experience with our expert trainers and enjoy personalized learning with small class sizes. Apply today to Master Power BI. Spots are limited. Visit our website for more details and to register. We look forward to helping you kickstart your career with Power BI.